What you got there? That's a circle. We usually see circles as round shapes with even curves. When have you seen a circle today? For me, I see circles every single day, right before I get into my car. See? They're right here. Oh, you've got another something. That's a square. I bet you already knew that a square has 4 sides. But did you know that every single one of those sides are also equal? Where's one place you've seen a square today? Maybe your favorite snack, or even the box that they came in, are square. Our next shape will be a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides, but they are not all equal. The left side and the right side are equal, and the top and the bottom are equal. When have you seen a rectangle today? Here's a hint. You see one every day before you leave home to grow your brains. Next up is the triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. You begin by drawing a dot. From that dot, you give it 2 legs. After you have that, you're gonna connect the feet at the bottom with the line. When might you have seen a triangle today? Maybe during your lunch when you were eating that slice of pizza? Yeah. Next, we have what's commonly called a diamond. What's another word for this shape? I'll give you a hint. It starts with an R. Another word for a diamond is a rhombus. A rhombus can be made by taking one triangle and then flipping it upside down right below that triangle and making another triangle. So technically, a rhombus is just a regular triangle and an upside down triangle right below it. Where might you have seen a rhombus? Maybe it was a diamond on some jewelry. The last shape for today is going to be an oval. An oval has 2 sets of curves that both have different lengths. You've seen an oval here in this light bulb. Next are our forms. Forms are 3D shapes. Let's start with these 2 first. The cube and the rectangular prism. Because the cube is the form of a square, we're gonna start with a square and put a dot in the middle. Then you're gonna draw an identical square from that dot, doesn't matter which direction, and then you're going to connect the corners. The rectangular prism follows those exact same principles. So we're gonna start off with a rectangle, then we're gonna put a dot directly in the middle. From there, you're gonna draw an identical rectangle, doesn't matter which direction, and then you're just gonna connect the corners. Then you have your rectangular prism. Many of us are used to seeing rectangular prisms as ice cream sandwiches or TV remotes. Just as many of us associate the cube with boxes or ice cubes or a die. Next, we're going to talk about the sphere. The sphere is the form of a circle. Since the sphere is the form of a circle, we're going to start with a circle. And then we're going to draw an outline. Another word for outline is contour. What are we drawing a contour for? We're drawing the contour for the shadow of the sphere. And the shadow will follow the contour of the sphere. Next step would be to add a shadow below your sphere. The shadow of the sphere is usually the shape of an oval. Most of us associate the sphere with a ball. Finally, we have the pyramid. The pyramid is the form of a triangle. Because the pyramid is the form of a triangle, we are going to start off with the base of a triangle. From there, you're going to draw a dot, that familiar dot right in the middle, and then you're going to connect all the corners to that dot. If you'd like to take it a step further, you could even fill in the bottom floor of your pyramid so we know which direction the walls are facing. Pyramids are most associated with the infamous pyramids of Egypt. Okay, all that learning, let's do a quick warm-up to get you ready for your assignments after. Draw something that resembles each shape that we spoke about today. The form is a 3D shape. Draw each form 3 times each. These are our primary colors. We have 3 of them. The first one is red, the second one is yellow, and the last one is blue. They are the foundation for all other colors. So they will be mixed together to make what we're gonna call later the secondary colors. By definition, primary colors can't be made from any other 2 colors. We like to show that using a scientific equation, P equals P, which basically means that these can't be made from any other 2 colors. If you wanted to take it a step further, you could mix 2 primary colors and it would give you a secondary color. We show that using the equation P plus P equals S, and S just stands for secondary color. By mixing any 2 primary colors, they will give you a very specific secondary color. So when you mix red and yellow, you'll always get orange. If you mix blue and yellow, you'll always get green. If you mix blue and red, you'll get purple, or as we like to call it sometimes, violet.